What if I told you that the biggest investment opportunity of 2026 isn't electric vehicles and it isn't cryptocurrency? It's artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is changing almost every industry on the planet, from healthcare to banking, from cloud computing to self-driving cars. AI is becoming the engine behind the next generation of innovation. The companies building this technology are seeing billions of dollars flow into their businesses. Some are already among the world's largest companies, while others are still in the early stages of explosive growth. But here's the question: which AI stocks could be worth watching in 2026? That's exactly what we're covering today. In this video, I'll reveal 5 companies that many investors are following closely because of their role in the artificial intelligence revolution. We'll discuss what each company does, why AI matters to its business, the potential opportunities, and also the risks every investor should understand. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decision. Now, let's begin with our number 5. Number 5, Palantir Technology. Palantir may not be as famous as companies like Microsoft or NVIDIA, but it has quietly become one of the most talked about AI software companies in the market. The company develops advanced data analytics and artificial intelligence platforms used by governments, large corporations, healthcare organizations, and financial institutions. Instead of creating computer chips, Palantir focuses on software. Its AI systems help organizations analyze huge amounts of information, identify patterns, predict future outcomes, and make faster decisions. Imagine trying to analyze millions of pieces of information every single day. For a human, that's almost impossible. But AI software can process this data within seconds. That's exactly where Palantir believes its biggest opportunity exists. As artificial intelligence continues expanding, businesses around the world are searching for better software to organize information, reduce costs, and improve productivity. And Palantir is positioning itself to benefit from that trend. But can the company continue growing fast enough to justify investor expectations? Let's find out in the next section. Now, let's take a closer look at Palantir Technologies. One of Palantir's biggest strengths is its growing commercial business. While the company first became well known for working with government agencies, it is now helping banks, manufacturing companies, healthcare providers, and large enterprises use artificial intelligence to improve decision-making. Businesses today generate enormous amounts of data. Without AI, most of that information is impossible to analyze efficiently. Palantir software helps organizations turn raw data into useful insights. That means companies can identify problems faster, reduce unnecessary costs, improve productivity, and make smarter business decisions. Pause. However, every investment comes with risks. Palantir stock has experienced large price swings over the past few years. Its future performance depends on continued customer growth, strong financial results.
Yes, we did it! I knew it would pay off!
Palantir remained one company worth watching closely. Now, let's move to our number 4 pick, Broadcom. Broadcom may not receive as much public attention as NVIDIA, but it plays as a critical role in the AI revolution. The company designs advanced semiconductor chips, networking equipment, and infrastructure technology that power modern data centers. Every time an AI model is trained, massive amounts of data must move between thousands of high-performance servers. Broadcom's networking technology becomes essential. Its products help data travel faster, more efficiently, and more reliably. As artificial intelligence continues growing, technology companies are investing billions of dollars to expand their AI infrastructure. Broadcom is positioned to benefit from that long-term trend. Another reason many investors watch Broadcom is its financial strength. The company has a long history of generating strong revenue, healthy profits, and consistent cash flow. It has also rewarded shareholders through dividends and strategic acquisitions that expanded its technology business. Of course, there are risks. The semiconductor industry can experience periods of slower demand and increased competition, even great companies can see their stock prices fluctuate. Still, Broadcom remains one of the most important companies supporting the artificial intelligence ecosystem. And now, it's time to reveal our number 3 AI stock, which millions of people already use every single day. Now let's move on to our number 3 pick, Alphabet. Alphabet, the parent company of Google, has been investing in artificial intelligence for many years. Long before AI became today's hottest trend, Google researchers were already developing machine learning models, advanced language systems, and AI-powered products. Today, artificial intelligence is integrated into many of Alphabet's services, from Google Search to Google Maps, Google Photos, YouTube recommendations, and Google Cloud. AI plays a major role in improving user experience. One of the company's biggest opportunities comes from Google Cloud. Businesses around the world are moving their operations into cloud computing. At the same time, they also want AI tool to improve productivity, analyze data, and automate repetitive tasks. This creates a powerful opportunity for Alphabet to expand its AI business. Another advantage is Alphabet's enormous amount of data. Every day, billions of people use Google services. That gives the company valuable experience building and improving AI system. Of course, competition remains intense. Microsoft, OpenAI, Amazon, and several other companies are investing billions of dollars into artificial intelligence. Innovation is happening at an incredible speed. Even so, Alphabet remains one of the world's largest technology companies with enormous financial resources to continue investing in the future of AI. Now, let's move to our number 2 stock, Microsoft. Microsoft has become one of the biggest winners of the AI revolution. The company has integrated artificial intelligence across many of its products, including Microsoft 365, Azure Cloud, GitHub, and business software. One reason many investors continue watching Microsoft is its strong position in enterprise technology. Millions of businesses already depend on Microsoft software every single day. As companies adopt AI, Microsoft can introduce new AI features into products that customers already use. That creates new opportunities for long-term growth. Azure, Microsoft's cloud platform, also continues to expand rapidly. As more businesses train AI models and process huge amounts of data, cloud infrastructure becomes increasingly important. Microsoft combines cloud computing, software, cybersecurity, and artificial intelligence into one ecosystem. That combination gives the company a strong competitive position. However, even companies as large as Microsoft face challenges. Competition continues increasing, technology changes rapidly, and investor expectations remain very high. Many analysts consider Microsoft one of the strongest companies benefiting from the long-term growth of artificial intelligence. But now, it's time for our number 1 pick, the company that many people consider the heart of the entire AI revolution, NVIDIA. And finally, our number 1 AI stock is NVIDIA. Over the past few years, NVIDIA has become one of the most important companies in the artificial intelligence industry. Its graphics processing units, commonly known as GPUs, are used to train and run advanced AI models. Unlike traditional computer processors, GPUs can perform thousands of calculations at the same time. That makes them perfect for artificial intelligence, machine learning, scientific research, and large-scale data processing. Today, many of the world's biggest technology companies depend on NVIDIA hardware. Cloud providers, AI startups, research organizations, and enterprise businesses all require powerful chips to build, endure, and operate their AI systems. As demand for AI continues growing, the need for high-performance computing also continues increasing. That's one reason why investors have paid so much attention to NVIDIA, but NVIDIA is more than just a chip manufacturer. The company also develops software platforms, networking technology, AI development tools, and complete data center solutions. This creates an entire ecosystem that helps businesses build, train, and deploy artificial intelligence applications. Another important factor is innovation. NVIDIA continues investing billions of dollars into research and product development. Every new generation of AI chips offers better performance, higher efficiency, and faster processing speeds. That constant innovation helps the company maintain its competitive advantage. However, investors should also remember that no stock goes up forever. Even outstanding companies experience periods of volatility. Stock prices can rise quickly, but they can also fall when expectations become too high or market conditions change. Competition is also increasing. Several major technology companies are developing their own AI hardware. That means NVIDIA will need to continue innovating to remain an industry leader. Still, many investors believe artificial intelligence